I went from riding Uber to 4 cars in 2 months. I made like 4 bands every week. Shrimp and lobster all I eat. A lot of niggas envy if they get the chance to kill me. So I'm ducked off clearly. I keep them fake niggas from.
So I had a lot of people hitting me up and talking about their credit score. Oh, my credit score this, and I still don't get this. They didn't want to give me the loan for that. Like, having a good credit score, that's not enough. You have to have more than a good credit score. Because all this is when you're dealing with credit is your relationship with other lenders. You have a relationship with lenders. So when you're looking to go get a loan on something else or something and set up a payment plan, finance something, then the first thing they're gonna be looking at is how you handled your other relationships with the other lenders, with the other people you finance from, the other people who loaned you money. They're gonna be looking right there on that screen where everything pop up, your whole credit profile. Once they run it, once you sign and give them permission to run it, boom, they got access. They're looking at everything in there, and they looking. So if you don't have enough history, then of course you looking risky to them. You know, they looking at it, boom. You can have a 750 score, which is, you would think is good. It is good if you have that history to go with it. It's the credit history, a good credit history at that. So they looking, boom, you don't have enough open accounts. You got about 3 open accounts. You've been doing your thing on them, but you ain't got the history with it. You know, it's only been like 2 years, 3 years. You become risky to them. So they're not going to approve you for a lot of things. But then on top of that, you have some to where you have closed accounts and stuff like that to where you didn't make this and your credit score is high. The credit score is not meaning nothing really like that no more. You have to make sure that you are able to have those different relationships that are in good standings and hold them for a long period of time when you're dealing with lenders and you're trying to get stuff. Because if not, you'll get certain stuff, of course, but it'll be small amount. Like if you go get a credit card, you're getting $300 limit, $500 limit. You know, like me right now, if I go get a credit card, if I apply for a credit card, I'm getting like $10,000 limit, $4,000 limit, $5,000 limit, like different type of limits because I've built up my portfolio on my credit. So make sure you keep that in mind, that having a high credit score isn't everything. People be bragging, oh, I got a 700, oh, I'm almost at an 800. Okay, but what does your credit history look like with all these other people, with all these different companies that you've been messing with? If you don't have the proof to show that, good credit score isn't going to do too much for you because you look real risky to the companies. So keep that in mind. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Click that bell notification so y'all can be notified every time I do a video about credit, about business credit, personal, about CPNs, everything. Like I'm giving y'all all the game, and I'm giving y'all a lot of free game. A lot of free game that I'm giving out. I'm building a website too right now that I have a lot of information, different letters to remove inquiries and different stuff, you know, just to help y'all out. I wish somebody was there to help me out when I was learning this stuff, but I had to go through the trials and tribulations of it. So that kind of was a good thing because I can tell people, and I get paid a lot of money now to like show people and do things for people that I know is going to work, basically, because I already went through all the errors for them. So that's why I'm able to get paid the amount that I do now from doing this. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel though, and I'll be back soon with another update.